Kubor na Khlem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkel Sangma habaya keren berkilat pathai kubor mentakasngi ke khat khandai tarik ukalaling kot antacar arpasau hadin ke jingelang jong ke kinhon menteri ula pentip bakum ke kinhon kalaya keren hagabede bak jing penkup borom ki breu lingba ki khusnam ki lai benta hagami Meghalaya de Konrad ula pentip ru balaya keren hagabede bat ke jing pendu no ya ka an ya ka badatip kum Meghalaya Civil Task Force Act khat khandai spa anya pusau but kada bala weng no yega ninga an kade ninga jingkela hagar kom trekam but ki wei ki be ki jingdon kam ki ba penlong yega sarkar ban penduk no ya ka ninga an hagani ka sngi ka kenhon menteri kala ekran ru halor ka jingkenteu ya ka contingency fund of Meghalaya amendment ordinance arajar arpusau kabana ka sanspa klor sha ka 6000 klor but kamat ka bakhaddo kum ka kenhon menteri kala ekran kade halor ka jingpelait Paidbah ya ka Jingrwai ba pura ne ka state anthem haka arpu waitrik ukalaling kot arjar arpusau kum shibenta ka jingdap sanpo Snem ka jella ha ka ba an saple Paidbah do menteri rangba ka jella ha Tura but Konrad ula ongru ba kum makalong menta ka jella ha ki sanpo lagi Snem kampat don ya ka Jingrwai jongka lani kata ka state anthem kumta kan long ka khubor jong ka jing smokemen but ngosarong ya ka jella hi baro ka way.
Evening to everyone. And thank you very much for coming to this press conference. Today we had the cabinet meeting, and in the cabinet meeting we had taken up 5 agendas, and all 5 agendas were cleared. So the first agenda that we had taken up was regarding the recommendation for the Meghalaya Day Awards. And as you know that these names are announced every year on Meghalaya Day. And so this, the recommendations that have been cleared by the cabinet today will be announced on the Meghalaya Day celebration. And so I cannot give the names to you, but I'm just informing you that the recommendations today have been approved, and the names for the 3 categories for the Meghalaya Day Awards has been finalized today by the cabinet. Second was regarding the matter related to the different programs by different cabinet ministers, the respective governor and others to take the salute on Republic Day in different locations. So those locations were finalized, and the names of different ministers and different MLAs have been finalized as to which location they will go. Third was regarding the repeal of the Meghalaya Civil Task Force Act 1974. As you're aware that the Civil Task Force Act was made in 1974, and because of obviously the change in the systems and the fact that the need at that point in time when this Meghalaya Task Force was set up were different, and now in today's world the Meghalaya Task Force is almost redundant, where all the concerned employees who were there, necessary formalities have been completed, and they are all either retired or they've been given a golden handshake. And so therefore the Meghalaya Task Force Act in itself is actually now redundant. And hence, to ensure that there is no further complications, the cabinet today has decided that it will be repealed, and there were 3 posts that were there in that. Those will be absorbed within the department in a different branch. And so this particular act, the repeal act, will be brought in the next assembly session. Decision that was made was regarding the increase in the contingency fund of Meghalaya. Amendment, this ordinance has been brought in of 2024, and basically this is a temporary measure. So the contingency fund for the contingency fund of Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance 2024 will increase the contingency fund from 500 crores to 1,000 crores. Just so that people will understand what this technically means. As you're aware, this contingency fund is basically there because certain provisions that are there in the budgetary provisions, when they get exhausted, until unless we don't pass a supplementary demand in the assembly, then we are not able to utilize the funds or the money. Even if we have the money, we cannot utilize it until unless supplementary demands are done. So hence, in the situation where supplementary demands cannot be passed in the assembly, contingency fund provisions are used. So this is basically a provision of increasing it from 500 to 1,000 crores, because we are receiving additional funds from Government of India, and our overall revenue and other aspects of funds from center have gone up, and hence we are in a position where we'll be getting additional funds for some more development work, but the provision within the budgetary provisions are not enough to use that fund. So hence the provisions are being enhanced so that we are in a position to utilize the funds that are going to come from center. The last and a very important decision today has been taken, and I'm very, very happy to announce to all of you that the official state anthem has been approved by the state cabinet today. And I am thankful to the Art and Culture Department and all the individuals who are involved, who have been involved in creating the state anthem. I would like to thank them for all the efforts that have been put in, including the lyrics that were written, including the tune that was made. Many people have been involved in it, and I'll be mentioning all of that tomorrow when we'll be having the Meghalaya Day program in Tura, and I will be officially launching the state anthem tomorrow. And this is indeed a very, very happy and a very proud moment for us, because the state has been without a state anthem for the last 52 years. So that was the most important decision, I should say, that was made today. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.